Exercise 13. In the system of equations above, b is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of b? Although we keep saying that the safest way for you to solve a system of equations of any type is through Desmos, here we sadly cannot do that. Why is that? Because that's a parametric system of equations. We can only solve either by Desmos or by our calculator any system only if it's a system of just x and y. If we have extra letters, which are called parameters, we cannot act that way. In this case, we can only go with theory. And from theory, we know that if we have that system, ax plus by equals c, and then a prime x plus b prime y equals c prime, then if a over a prime is the same as b over b prime, and at the same time equal to c over c prime, we have infinite number of solutions. If a over a prime is equal to b over b prime, but both are different than c over c prime, then we have no solutions. And finally, if a over a prime is different than b over b prime, without even caring what the ratio c over c prime would end up, we say that there is one unique solution. So, right now, let me, first of all, group them in columns. Let me bring the x's and the y's on the left. It's going to be negative 2x plus y equals 5, and then minus bx plus y equals negative 2b. I want that to have no solutions. So this means that the coefficients of x, so minus 2 over negative b, should be the same as, let me use a different color, the coefficients of y's, so 1 over 1, and they should be different than 5 over negative 2b. Let's make them equal at first, and then obviously it's going to be different than 5 over negative 2b. We have a clear ratio here, 1 over 1. So this means that numerator and denominator should be the same. So minus 2 over minus b should also be equal to 1, which means that obviously b should be 2. Now, if b is 2, the 5 over negative 2b would have been 5 over negative 4, which means that the entire condition of not having any solutions is met, which further means, finally, that the value of b that would make this system have no solution would have been 2, so the right answer would have been D.